Making money with clipping using a certain platform is a viable option. For those who are unfamiliar with this platform, it offers various features that enable users to earn money through clipping content from social media sites like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. The platform has a section dedicated to content rewards, where users can get paid for creating clips. The payment rates are significantly higher compared to traditional methods, with some offers paying up to $4 per 1,000 views. To get started, users need to navigate to the Discover tab and scroll down to the Content Rewards section. From there, they can click on Show All and select clipping to browse through available offers. These offers are sorted by the amount paid out, and users can also sort them by RPM to find the highest paying options. Some offers pay up to $5 per 1,000 views, and users can click on each offer to learn more about the requirements and terms. Once users find an offer they're interested in, they can join the program and start creating clips. The process typically involves submitting a post for review, posting the clip on a social media platform, and uploading the media to the platform. Users can earn money based on the number of views their clips generate, with some programs offering payouts of up to $350 per submission. The platform is constantly updated with new opportunities, and users can sort offers by newest to find the latest additions. By participating in these programs, users can potentially earn significant amounts of money, with some users making over $1,000 per video. The key is to find the right offers and create high-quality clips that meet the requirements and generate a large number of views. With the right strategy and dedication, making money with clipping can be a lucrative venture.